Hey everyone, Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network here to do a walk around with you on this 2019 Chevy Corvette Grand Sport. Point of doing this walk around is to show you any cosmetic imperfections that don't show up in our 100 photos that are on our website. If you are on our website, you can see those photos below this video. If you are on YouTube and wish to see our website, you can go to tampabayautonetwork.com. On our website, you can apply for financing, get shipping quotes, take a look at the original window sticker, and also see a free CARFAX report. Hopefully we'll see you there. Let's start our walk around. All right, doing the walk around on the 19 Grand Sport. It has black factory wheels, 19-inch in the front, 20 in the rear. Sitting on matching tires with about 55 to 60% tread life remaining all the way around. This 7,800 mile Vette is, as you would expect, in outstanding shape, except for some very small cosmetic imperfections that you would not see in the pictures, which is just a couple of chips right here on the nose. This is a ceramic coated black on black leather Grand Sport, which, as you can see, does not have one scratch, no swirls. Flawless paint all the way around. All right, looking at the interior. As you would expect with a 7,800 mile Vette, there's absolutely nothing to say about the seats. No marks of any kind. The stitching is all perfect. Just giving you a quick view. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do the startup on this 2019 Grand Sport. As you can see, there's no warning lights on the dash. It's got 783 miles on the odometer. Being that that's the amount of miles, as you can see, there's really not a whole lot to say, except that this car looks new. Go ahead and turn on the AC. It's ice cold. This really is a beautiful car, guys.